Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Buick Encore hood. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the engine off. Then, locate the hood release lever inside your Encore. It's usually on the driver's side, near the floorboard or kick panel. Give this lever a firm pull. You should hear a distinct pop as the primary latch releases, slightly lifting the hood. Once the interior lever is pulled, head to the front of your Encore. The hood will be slightly ajar. Carefully reach your hand into the gap, just above the grille, to locate the secondary safety latch. This latch is usually in the center. Depending on your model, you'll either push it to the right or pull it towards you to fully disengage the hood. With both latches released, you can now gently lift the hood of your Buick Encore. It should open smoothly. Next, find the prop rod, which is usually clipped to the underside of the hood or along the side of the engine bay. Carefully unclip it and insert its end into the designated slot on the engine compartment frame. This ensures the hood stays securely open while you work. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its slot and secure it back in its clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 6 to 8 inches from fully closing. From this height, let the hood drop, applying a firm, even pressure to the center to ensure both latches engage securely. Always double-check that the hood is fully latched before driving. For more details on the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.